Hello everyone, this is our company produce the drop side semi trailer for African custom. Uh, that's the we can be shipped to Zambia market. The drop side semi trailer modern price is from 16 tons to 17 tons. It is loading for and stone, sand, and other book cargoes. If you want loading for inner and it can be with in the locks. The main beam is high strength steel, carbon steel. It is for Africa road condition, but it's very strong. Very strong. About the drop side suspension, it is equipped American type suspension. Look at heavy duty type. This. Look. And the axles we choose China #1 brand Fuhua brand for our custom. And the tire is a triangle brand, and it's very famous brand in China. Tire size, this tire size. The sidewall height it can be choose 600 millimeters to 2000 millimeters. The custom is choose 1000 millimeters.